am a scientist.
I am
a scientist.
A scientist.
I am a scientist.
I am a scientist.
I explore high and low. I explore high and low.
I explore high and low.
I question what I know.
I question what I know.
I question what I know.
I experiment and test.
I am
A scientist.
a scientist.
A scientist.
A scientist.
I'm a scientist.
I am a scientist!
To me, being a scientist means I can explore the universe with telescopes. I can find new worlds, new galaxies, new stars, understand where it all came from.
What does it mean to me to be a scientist? Honestly, I feel more and more that it means approaching problems much like a toddler or a young learner does. It means asking why a million different ways and a million different times.
To be curious about the world.
Anyone can be a scientist. What it means to be a scientist to me is be able to apply science to our career as firefighters, how we recognize how a fire is started, and how we can recognize how to prevent the fire from starting again.
We are scientists here today because we ask why. You also can be a scientist if you ask why, if you look closely, and you try an experiment.
To discover something new, to problem solve, and also for me, especially at an academic institution, is to train the next generation of scientists.
I'm Karen Jepson-Innes, Executive Director of the WonderLab Museum. Science Sprouts Place is a brand new learning area at the WonderLab Museum designed especially for infants, toddlers, and their adult caregivers, with experiences that are based on scientific research and early childhood education best practice. Science Sprouts Place opens to the public on Saturday, October 5th. What being a scientist means is being someone who's curious about the world around them, who's a careful observer, takes the time to really look at things and consider different explanations, and uses physical evidence to help understand the world around them. Infant brains are amazing learning machines because they do these things instinctively as they learn about the world around them and explore. And providing enriched environments from birth is the reason Science Sprouts Place is so important for our community. So everyone, please join us. Begin at the beginning, come to WonderLab, and help build STEM education from birth.